To install the CorelTRAINER plugin software, it may be easier to follow step-by-step instructions from the PDF that is on your flash drive. Or that PDF may have been linked to your purchase email and with the download for the software and serial numbers themselves. Do know that CorelTRAINER is a membership service and its systems are attached to your membership through our website. You may own your own CorelDRAW license that you got from us forever, but our training, support, shortcuts, and graphics are associated with your membership. When downloading CorelTRAINER, your internet browser and then computer will ask you if you are sure that you want to do so. Confirm the download as well as opening the program installer itself. After downloading, you will need to find the application installer or setup wherever you typically find a downloaded file. From either there or directly from the flash drive, your Windows computer will ask if you are sure that you'd like to run the program installer. I know, it's repetitive, but they're just making sure that you want to add something new. You may also need to deactivate any other protection software that you have on your computer, such as Microsoft Defender, McAfee, or Norton. Click on More Info, then on Run Anyway, and then confirm again that you would like to allow this app to make changes to your computer. Know that your computer may look a little different than in our instructions, as they vary on brand, OS, and more. Click through the next couple of steps in the CorelTRAINER installer and keep the Make sure that you are logged in checked, as Trainer will not work without it. To log in to CorelTRAINER.com, you'll need to first notice that you are on our login screen. If not, you can go to it, or what we call your dashboard, from the top right corner of CorelTRAINER.com. Line 1 is your email address. It must be exactly the same as when you first signed up with us. Line 2 is your password. You can reset your password just below and it'll send you a new email to do so. There you go. Go ahead and open CorelDRAW. If you see the new CorelTRAINER menu up at the top, then you have installed it correctly. Now you just need to import the workspace. Go up to the Tools menu. Hover your mouse over Options and click on Workspaces. You'll see a new window listing all the fancy workspaces that come with CorelTRAINER. You'll need to be careful to select the one you are in right now. As you can see, CorelTRAINER works with Corel versions 2019 and newer. If you got this CorelDRAW from us, you will want to choose the 2023 PE CorelTRAINER 3.0. Then hit OK at the bottom. It'll take a few seconds to think, then you'll see your whole CorelDRAW change for the better. Green border, gray-blue work area, special dockers and palettes on the right, and a ton of new shortcuts up at the top. You're all done. Know that as a member of CorelTRAINER.com, we are happy to help you install our Corel stuff. So if you got stuck or struggled installing the trainer itself, you may want to reach out to schedule a time for us to connect computers and install things for you. If you are logged into CorelTRAINER, you'll find a calendar to schedule with a trainer, or you can send an email to support@CorelTRAINER.com. We're happy to help.